The market theme. The good news is that WTI crude has cooled to around $99 per barrel, while U.S. Treasury yields have also eased, offering some massive relief to equity investors. The positive catalyst optimism is on the rise on hopes that the U.S. and Iran could eventually reach an agreement. Our call of the day: bulls regrouping at lower levels in yesterday's session suggests that Nifty 50 could roar back like a lion, march higher, and dominate today's trade. Technically, confirmation of major strength only above Nifty 24,100 mark. Long story short, Nifty 50 could stage a powerful comeback and dominate today's trade, with bulls likely to remain firmly in control all the way. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 1597 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1968 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some massive rebound play. FNOMA month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 18.44 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, was trading firm near 96.79 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.27 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.79. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.64. Midcap Nifty is at 1.18. Nifty Outlook Nifty is likely to witness a strong rebound, with a high probability that the psychological 24,000 mark could be reclaimed. The technical structure has shifted from caution to optimism. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,659. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,551 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,550 and 24,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 75,318. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,529 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,700 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,000 to 76,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53,562. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,500 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,300 and 55,300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. President Donald Trump stated the war with Iran would end very quickly, while Vice President J.D. Vance highlighted progress in talks with Tehran to cease hostilities. Bottom line, Nifty bulls will aim to recapture psychological 24,000 mark. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Grasim Industries, plus 1. 22%, 2,971 rupees. Grasim Industries reported a strong Q4 FY26 performance, with consolidated adjusted PAT rising 31% YoY to 2,041 crore rupees, driven by robust performance across building materials, financial services, and cellulosic fibers. The company also posted record quarterly revenue of 51,101 crore rupees and record EBITDA of 8,011 crore rupees, highlighting broad-based strength across key businesses. 2. Ola Electric Mobility, plus 1.04%, 36 rupees and 96 paise. Ola Electric Mobility reported a consolidated net loss of 500 crore rupees for the quarter ended 31st March 2026, compared with a loss of 870 crore rupees in the year-ago period, marking a 42.5% improvement year-on-year. Sequentially, however, the loss widened 2.7% from 487 crore rupees in the December quarter.